Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Rassenti Snafu 3.5 inch long here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what we can do to improve the already fantastic action. I mean, nothing. Honestly, I already know. I know this guy. It's already pretty good. So I just want to show you how easy it is to take apart a Rassenti Snafu. Just you're gonna need T15 Torx bit screw to get rid of the pivot, and just like something like that, like a hardened tool plastic, but before doing that, let's just put the pivot halfway through, open the blade halfway through as well, so it's going to be easier just to pull it out. And then basically you're done. You have one pivot, you have two bearings, and that is it. So this is that's pretty fantastic. Then we can use some alcohol swab just to clean it up. It's gonna be a pretty quick one because it's super easy to maintain because of very few parts are involved, and so you just need to clean a little bit the pockets for the bearings right over here. Maybe clean up the tang. We can just jam this guy on the inside and just do like this, just to clean any residue from the inside. Let's just also clean up the handle. Nice Mokutai pocket clip. And also a really cool detail is that it's desert floor finish carving kind of thing is just extending on the back of the handle and just wraps around it. So really cool. We can also just do something like that because we are basically done. So that is done. Now we're gonna use a 10 weight nano oil, which is this guy over here, and it's pretty straightforward now. So just a little drop like that. Bearing is in, just flip it over, couple drops there, bearing is in as well, and then you are just in to push the blade like that. Just center it like so. Take your pivot, which goes in like this, and your screw and your driver with a T15, and this guy is ready to rock and roll. All right. Also, I'd like to use just a little bit of heavier weight nano oil. We can do the 85 weight. No, this is the 10, sorry. Let's just do heavier weight nano oil. This is the 85 weight, which we can use just for the detent ball. Kind of like just a little drop right there. Just rub it up against the tang of the blade, and let's check it out. Let's see how's the overall action. Just wipe it off. And all right, let's just see. Look at this. That's a crazy smooth action. It's kind of flipping with authority like a boss. The sound is fantastic. It just drops shut like this. Really cool. And this is how you kind of like take care and improve, if you can, the already fantastic action of the Rassenti Snafu first version. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.